Hey guys, RoonPicker here with another lockpicking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Paddy by ThankstheDwarf, and it came in one of these challenge locks boxes from Mr. Paradise. You can see these are the people who have picked it, and their dates and times. It says the key works, but it sticks, so try not to use the key. So we'll still look at it, and maybe I'll try using the key. I haven't decided yet, but this is the key, mummified key, and we got this mortise cylinder. Looks like a Schlag keyway. Here is the lock body. You can see engraved Paddy on the face of it. So let's go ahead and throw this in the vise. See if we can get this open today. One thing I did notice, I didn't mention when I showed you guys, but is that the face of the keyway has been ground down to like a V. That's kind of an interesting choice. I don't know if that's supposed to make it harder to keep your tension wrench in there or what the purpose of that is. 50,000 seems to work pretty good though. Standard hook, and we will get our SS Dev out. And let's zoom in on this. Whoop. And see if we can get this open today. I'm gonna go clockwise this time. Let's see if we get any different results with this. Reset. Not wanting to cooperate today. That was a good click. Let me try something. Sometimes this helps. I'm not tensioning off of it, but I'm just using it to keep my pick from sliding down the warding. There we go. Now we got something. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh. Lock's giving up its secrets now. Yep, and we got it. Okay. Picked. Let me go ahead and zoom out. You can see that we are picked. Let's go ahead and... Well, let's look at let's do this. I'm gonna do something a little bit different than how I normally do it. I'm not gonna use the key. Well, you know what? Let's do it this way. Come here. What the heck kind of key is this? I can see why the key sticks now that I'm looking at the key. Look at this. Look at all those crazy cuts on there. There's no wonder that the key sticks when you're trying to turn it. You know what? Well, I can't even lock it up if I wanted to. Oh, there we go. Just to see. Yeah, I can't even get back to the operating position either direction I go. But that's fine. We're just going to go ahead and get this off the back anyways. Let's go ahead and get that. Okay, there's that. Let's get a shim out because I guarantee we're probably going to need one. Let's get our follower. We can get our key out. And he hollowed out these chambers, so that would be my guess why it's sticking. So not only, so he undercut and hollowed out chambers 1 and 2, threaded 3, 4, 5, and undercut and hollowed out chambers 6. And let's get the shim out and see what our driver looks like. What the heck is that? Well, at least he was considerate enough to put a wafer in there. This is some, excuse my language, but this is some jank lock stuff going on in here. That one looks good. Okay. So if you're wondering why this lock is kind of janky, just look at pins 1, 2, and 6. And I don't think you did anything to this. Maybe there's threading there. 2, 3, and 4 potentially threading, or sorry, 3, 4, and 5 potentially threading. It's hard to tell. I feel something, but it doesn't visually look like there's anything in there. Okay, let's go bring you guys over here and take a look at this. Now this is how it was assembled in the lock. Those weird long T-pins were assembled in the lock like that. So I think it's catching on those hollowed out grooves on the core you can see on the right. And then if you look on that core there, and zoom in on that, you can see how it's like hollowed out like really heavily, like you took like a drill straight into it. But we got a nice spool on 4, serrated on 3 and 5, and those T-pins on 1, 2, and 6 with the master wafer on 1. But that is the Paddy challenge lock from ThankstheDwarf. If you guys like this content, like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.